guys, welcome to my channel. So today video is a little different from my usual videos. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful DIY moon lamp. I've seen this all over the internet and I always wanted to buy them, but then I thought, why not create them? I know I'm a little late because I've seen a lot of people already do it. Every Diwali I create something by myself, and this time I thought I'll make this lamp. Whatever I've used in this is already available at home except for the light. I mean, you can just buy them. It was so simple that I made two of them and I'll show you how to make one. So without any blabbering, let's just quickly see how I made this. So firstly, we're going to use tissue paper to make the shape of the moon. We're going to need a balloon. You can also use a plastic ball, so I'm just going to blow this. And we need a Fevicol. Add some water in the Fevicol because we can't use like this thick Fevicol for pasting the tissue paper together. Okay, so this is done. So if I am going to start pasting tissue paper on it, I must need a base. So I'm just using this carton from the thread roll that I had. You can use glass. You can even put it on the glass. I'm just gonna tape this so that I have a base set before I start pasting the tissue paper on it. Oh no. Oh. Okay, sorry guys, so that balloon got busted, so I am using a new one, new color. Okay, so this is going to be like this. Okay, let's start pasting the tissue paper now. As you can see, I have pasted tissue paper all over the place, all over this balloon, and I am gonna let it dry now. So you can see this has dried up fully. I'm gonna take this bottom off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so I have taken the balloon off this, and now I'm gonna put this bulb here. So to put the bulb, we need some support. So I'm gonna use another carton or paper to give this a base. Okay, so I need to make a circle in this sheet. I'm using a watercolor paper. I need to make a circle inside it so that I can put this under this holder. So I will just mark it out and then I'll cut it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this circle. So I've made a circle. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut this. Okay. Okay, so I have fit this inside the holder. Now I'm supposed to screw that back. Use the bulb. Okay, and then use Fevicol and paste it. And then put it like that. Press this a little. See, if you have a stronger glue, you can use that also, but I feel Fevicol is enough to stick paper. I'm gonna leave it to dry. Let's make the base for the lamp now. Okay, for the base of the lamp, the base stand of the lamp, I've actually cut cartons. This is 3 inches by 1/2 inches. So cut at least 12 pieces of this. We need to stick 2 each. We should have like 6 of these together. I'm just gonna paste them. So take each stick and make a pair of 2, you know. So we are gonna need 6 of them. So that's done. I guess this is dry also. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna stick them, you know, make an L of 2 of these. So let them dry for a bit until they are stick together. So I don't think I have patience to wait for it to dry. So what I'm doing is I'm using masking tape to stick them together, because I'm anyways going to paint over it, so it doesn't matter if there is a tape over it. Now we take 2 of them and then we glue them like this. Okay, glue it like this, and you can use tape also. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it. Okay, this is one side of the base and the other one. Okay guys, so initially it seemed very complicated to me. I thought, okay, this is difficult to understand, but it's really not. It's not that difficult to be honest. So the last thing is I have to paste that. If you won't leave it to dry, then it will never stick. So I have to leave it to dry. And after that, I will paint on it. Okay, so this is how the base is, and it looks like this from the side. See? I have connected all the corners with each other, as you can see, and now I'm going to leave it to dry and I will paint this after it's dried fully. So it's fully dry. I left it for at least half an hour. Let's paint this. For painting, I'm using black acrylic and I'm using a little bit of burnt umber. It's basically brown. Okay, now that I have painted it from all sides, I mean you cannot see that it was what was its original color. I am taking some metallic gold color and I'm gonna give a little bit of antique finish. Okay, so took a little bit of gold and now I'm gonna just paint over it again. Okay, so this is how it looks after the gold paint. I'm sorry guys if it is little messy, but this is how things get when you are actually painting on an unusual surface, so that's why it's like this. I'm going to leave this to dry. Then we'll put our final lamp together and I'll show you how it looks. Hey guys, so finally the base is dry and I have kept the light on top of it. Let's switch it on and see how this looks. Okay. So this is how the light looks like. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I just love it. I have also made another one before making this video. I'll show you that one also. Wait. This is the one I made before making the video. I was not very happy with this one because it looks very dark. I actually tried painting over it, so, and you can see the base is also not very neat. So I thought I will create another one for the video, and then I made this one. I did not paint anything over it, and even the bottom is very neat. Another thing that this lamp does, apart from just adding aesthetic to your table or room, is that it's a really nice prop for clicking portraits. I think that is the reason why this lamp got so popular. It has been used by many photographers as a prop. If you are also into creative photo shoot, I think you should really make these. I hope you guys liked it, and if you also try this DIY, send me the pictures on Instagram or tag me on those pictures if you posted on Instagram. I would love to see them. Let me know in the comment section how did you like the video, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.